Have you ever loved someone who kept walking away from you, no matter how many times you forgave them? Painful, isn't it? Now imagine God loving us that way, endlessly, faithfully, even when we keep running from Him. That's the story of Isaiah. Not just a prophet, but a living symbol of God's love and heartbreak. Hosea was one of the minor prophets in the Old Testament. He gave him a message for the people of Israel, but this message wasn't delivered through mere words. It was delivered through his life. In Hosea chapter 1, God told him something that shocked everyone. Go, take for yourself a wife of whoredom, and have children of whoredom, for the land commits great whoredom by forsaking the Lord. Hosea chapter 1 verse 2. Hosea obeyed and married Gomer, a woman who was unfaithful to him. And as the time went on, she left him, not once, but repeatedly. She ran other lovers, abandoning the man who truly loved her. Can you imagine that pain? Yet Hosea didn't stop loving her. He searched for her, bought her back, and restored her, even when she didn't deserve it. That's in Hosea chapter 3 verses 1 to 2, where God said, Go again, love a woman who is loved by a lover and is committing adultery, just like the love of the Lord for the children of Israel. The story of Hosea and Gomer is more than a tragic love story. It's a divine illustration. God used Hosea's life to show how deeply he loves his people, even when they are unfaithful to him. Gomer represents Israel, and in many ways, us. We chase after the world's pleasures, idols, and false securities. We promise to love God, yet we turn our backs when something else looks better. But Hosea represents God's heart, patient, faithful, and redeeming. Even when we sin, He never gives up on us. Even when we break His heart, He pursues us still. In Hosea chapter 14 verse 4, God says, I will heal their backsliding. I will love them freely, for my anger has turned away from them. That's grace. That's redemption. And that's the gospel hidden in the pages of an Old Testament prophet. Just like Hosea paid a price to bring Gomer back, God paid the ultimate price to bring us back to Him through Jesus Christ. The cross is our Hosea moment. It's where love met unfaithfulness and chose to forgive anyway. The story of Isaiah reminds us of three powerful truths. God's love is relentless. He doesn't love us because we're perfect. He loves us because He is perfect. Number 2, God calls us to return. No matter how far you've gone, His arms are still open. Return to the Lord your God, for He is gracious and compassionate. Joel chapter 2 verse 13. God's forgiveness restores. He doesn't just forgive. He rebuilds, redeems, and renews your heart. So if you feel unworthy or far from God, remember Hosea, remember Gomer, and remember this: you are deeply loved by a God who refuses to give up on you. Let Him bring you home.